is a reddish-brown organ. It is protected inside our rib cage. It is actually a muscle that pumps blood to different parts of our body through a network of tubes called blood vessels. The heart collects impure blood from different parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood gives off the waste materials like carbon dioxide and collects oxygen. This pure blood again comes back to the heart and is pumped to the different parts of the body. The heart beats faster when our body works more, because when our body works more, it needs more oxygen. Lungs. There lie two spongy bags filled with air on either side of the heart. These are the lungs, which help in the exchange of gases in the body. We breathe in air through our nose. The nose is connected to the windpipe, and the windpipe is connected to the lungs. The lungs absorb oxygen from the air and send it to different parts of our body with the help of the blood. The various parts of the body use the oxygen for their various functions and give out carbon dioxide. This process of exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. Liver. Below the rib cage on the right side of the abdomen lies a dark red organ called the liver. It is the largest internal organ of our body. The liver is called the factory of our body as it plays a very important role in most of the activities to keep the body healthy. The liver helps in the digestion of food. It makes bile, which helps in digestion. It helps to keep our body temperature constant at 37 degrees Celsius. Kidneys. Two bean-shaped organs called kidneys are located behind the stomach. The impurities in our body are brought by the blood to the kidneys. The kidneys filter out these impurities and they are given out in the form of urine. Stomach. In the upper part of the abdomen is a J-shaped organ called the stomach. When we swallow food, it reaches the stomach through a long food pipe. When the food enters into the stomach, it expands. Here, the food is churned with the help of the stomach juices and then passed on to the small intestine. Small intestine. The small intestine is a 7 meters long coiled tube. Here, the food is digested with the help of bile from the liver. The digested food is absorbed by the blood. Through blood, it reaches different parts of the body. It gives us energy to work and play. Large intestine. The undigested food goes to the large intestine. Here, water from the undigested food is absorbed by the walls of the large intestine. Then, the semi-solid undigested food called feces is passed out of the body through the anus. Summary. Our body is a complex machine. We must take care of each part of our body. A supply of blood and fresh oxygen is very essential for the brain. Our heart is a muscle which works 24 hours a day. Liver is the largest internal organ of our body. In the upper part of the abdomen is a J-shaped organ called the stomach. When we swallow food, it reaches the stomach through a long food pipe. Two bean-shaped organs called kidneys are located behind the stomach. The impurities in our body are brought by the blood to the kidneys. All our body activities, including heartbeat, breathing, movement, etc., are controlled by the brain. The lungs absorb oxygen from the air and send it to different parts of our body with the help of the blood. The small intestine is a 7-meter long coiled tube. Here, the food is digested with the help of bile from the liver. The undigested food goes to the top of the large intestine. Here, water from the undigested food is absorbed by the walls of the large intestine.